Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the CERT Symantec legacy error you're coming across on your Windows computer. So there are several causes for this potential error, and we're going to go ahead and hopefully address it without too much of a hassle. The first thing I do want to point out is that there's a good chance that this error is not on your end, meaning that whatever you do won't change the fact that the website is down for everybody. So that's just one thing to consider, that this tutorial might not work because the website might actually not be operational. So it's worth keeping in mind, and once you have addressed that possibility, we're going to go ahead and jump right into hopeful workarounds for this. So we're going to start by right-clicking on our date and time settings down in the bottom right corner of our taskbar, and select Adjust Date and Time. If the time is not correct up here, you just want to turn them off. So it's set time automatically and time zone off automatically. Make sure the time zone is set correctly, and then if for some reason, if by switching time and time zone back on to automatic does not resolve the problem, you might want to consider changing the time manually. Also select the Sync Now button also to sync up the time as well, and see if that has now resolved the problem. So if you go back on the website and see if that has again resolved the issue. You can also try reaching out to the webmaster of the site. So again, that would be more of a site related issue, not on your end. So I just wanted to put that out there too. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. So go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you're prompted with a user account control window, select Yes. Now you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig, then a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word right after that /. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should come back with successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. At this point, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.